Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me.
We are doing a photo shoot, so let's get on to it. I just am setting up all the stuff. I just got this new backdrop and I have photos for my next project that I have to take too. So I thought a little 2-in-1, and we're also really bored and it's Friday at like 4 o'clock, so.
Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you.
Oh my why didn't you catch it? I didn't know that was gonna fall.
Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. That's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, don't ask me how I have so much energy because I didn't go to bed till 3 in the morning last night. I don't know what is happening. This like daylight saving switch has really screwed up with my body and like my sleep schedule, and it's never done that before. Like I've never had a problem with daylight savings. So I got like 5 hours. That's really not like bad, but like for me it's bad because I get like 12 hours of sleep a night. Sometimes more, because I don't know, I just need like a lot of sleep. So I don't know why I'm not tired right now, but I'm scared because I think it's gonna hit me like tonight. Yesterday was wow, that's bright. Why do I feel like I kind of look emo right now? Okay, I'm gonna go to school now.
Hi Emma, I just came in to take your portable charger. I'm going to Salina today because of state basketball. So thanks for letting me borrow your charger. Love you so much.
But I just wanted to show you that I got my hair done. It doesn't even look very good anymore because I got it done yesterday. Then I like slept and like worked out and did all the things. But I got it like a little bit blonder and I love it. Just wanted to show you. I'm going to class now and I literally have been at school all day. I have actually my drawing in the back of my car right now because I have to work on it over spring break. It's like a huge drawing and I've worked on one tiny little detailed butterfly section, and like a singular butterfly took me 3 hours. So this project's gonna take me a really long time, but I think it's gonna be cool if I can get it to look how I want it to look. This is my last day of school before spring break. Woohoo! I'm like actually gonna be late to class. It is bad. Taking Ella to her middle school dance. It's not even a dance, but are you so excited? It's gonna be boring. What are you guys even doing? There's literally like a whole entire volleyball net. Fun! Guess what? It's spring break. Woohoo! I need a nap. Okay, bye. Hi guys! Back with me for vacation. See you want to step. I love it when you want to step. Okay, so we are going to drumroll please. Watch the next video to find out.
Oh!
What?
When you did that, it displayed.
Oh, drumroll!
I didn't even mean to do
That's
it.
weird. I also usually clean my room, like fix my life, and do a lot of things before.
And I'm packing 5 hours before we leave.
Can you help me clean my room, Ella?
Probably not. I do not want to do that. You should go look at my room.
So like, how hot is it gonna be? Like, do I need to pack shorts or do I need to also pack pants? Cause like it might be cold.
I'm packing some sweats to be like about it.
Okay.
Do the otter.
There's nothing more than I hate. There's nothing more than I hate than
No,
packing.
let me
I
do it.
literally hate packing. There's nothing that I hate more
Then packing.
No, what if I could like make someone pack for me and like know that I would like everything and like have it all set out and good to go? That would be probably something I would pay for. Can you do it like that? Yeah, so guess what? My Shein order, this is what it said. Order swimsuit returning, and I was like, this bitch. She tried on my swimsuit, didn't like it, and sent it back, and didn't give me
That is not
order.
something I would do.
But like, why would it say that? It said order out for return, and I was like, are you kidding me, Ella? I was so mad at you.
Cold.
And then I got an email saying, had to cancel order, refund shipping. And I was like, this is some bullshit. I need 7 days of clothes. Good option to have. Okay, I also have this skirt, which is cute, but I feel like I look weird on skirts sometimes. They're not like really my vibe. Kind of like this. I want to wear clothes that I like have, but like don't wear. I just don't know if I like this bra that's other than this. Oh, it's okay. Oh no. Okay, I like this. The only thing that's like not done not lovely is that this is cream and this is white, so it's like kind of flashing. I could do like this, which is like cutie. Guys, it's currently 12 o'clock and this is the state of my room right now. I think I have like most of my outfits picked out, but I haven't even got to like pajamas and all that jazz. So, but here we are. Yikes. Now I gotta put it all in my suitcase. Okay. I did basically finish packing. The rest of the stuff that I need to get is like bathroom stuff and like stuff that I need to still use. Here's the suitcase. So she is packed, but I cleaned my room too last night. I was up like extra because I cleaned my room and finished packing. On my way to Sonic. What about you? I'm starving. I could eat my toes off right now. That's how hungry I am. I need food. Oh my gosh, the lighting. Okay. I love the sun. It's so nice out. What am I doing inside? I need to take a walk. Take a walk. Wait, what is that? Go walk, boy, and make it long. Tomorrow we leave for spring break. And I'm not even ready at all. But it's fine. I'm also like so tired, guys. I know I've said it already in this video, but my sleep schedule is still not good. It's still, why is my heat on? It's literally 60 degrees, 70 degrees. I'm always filming and talking in the same spot, so I apologize for the boringness, but you know, it's just life, it's just real. Ever since daylight savings, I can't sleep. Like, I didn't go to bed till 2 last night. Oh, that's so cute. A dad and a little girl on a walk, holding hands. Yeah, so I didn't go to bed till 2 last night. I was up packing, but like I was also just like so awake, and then I took a everything shower, self-tanned, like did all the things, and then like got in my bed and like wasn't even tired, so I scrolled on TikTok. No, I didn't scroll on TikTok, I scrolled on Instagram because I gave up TikTok for Lent. That's still going strong. Trying my best. And I also did my nails because I wanted them done for spring break. I also did my toes. Like, they don't look amazing, but like at least they're done, you know? I'm loving my blonde hair though. Like, I feel like I'm back. I feel like I really needed this in my life. Subscribe, become part of the Flim Fam. Trying to upload weekly, so catch my videos weekly. Guys, this slapped so hard. I love food. Oh my god.